Hello, fifth graders. This is one of your math assignments for the week. It is called Place It Right. And there are two different goals or objectives that I want you to think about while you're doing this assignment. The first one says, identify values of digits in whole numbers. And then the second one says, construct three-digit numbers that when multiplied by one-digit numbers will have products that match given clues. Right, and your slides are going to look like this. There's going to be this little cloud, and there's going to be numbers, and you need to move these numbers over here to equal whatever that answer is. I think all of these are going to be multiplication, so they're going to ask you for the product. All right, so for example, it says put one number in each square so that the product is between 500 and 700. So right away, I moved the 1, and then I moved the 5, the 7, and the 3. Now, if I would switch those two around, that wouldn't have worked. So just kind of, you're going to have to use your deductive reasoning, some logical thinking, and you might not get it right the first time. You might have to do a couple different multiplication problems, and that's okay. All right, so I'm going to show you actually in Seesaw too, just so you know what it looks like in there. Here you go. So this is what it's going to look like in your Seesaw library. So once you're in Seesaw and you watch this direction video, you're going to click Add Response, and it's going to bring you to this first slide. All right? And then you're going to want to click on the little hand pointer, and then you're going to want to move your numbers. Now, I actually would have a scratch piece of paper out, and I would try a couple different things to get me between the product of 700 and 750. That's what I would do. But you do it however you would like, and then whenever you get your correct answer, you're going to put it in these boxes. Then you're going to tell me your answer. This product needs to be between 700 and 750. Right? And then you're going to go to the next slide and do the same thing with those different products or answer numbers. All right? And there's 6 different ones. And then at the end, you have to tell me how you did. Be honest. Tell me, was it hard? Was it just right? Made me think? Or pretty easy? All right? Did you need a lot of help? Just some help? Or you did it all by yourself? All right, can't wait to see your answers. Remember, you have a whole week, so maybe if you want to just do a slide or two at a time and then save it as a draft, you can definitely do that. All right, please submit by October 12th at 8 a.m. Good luck.